How to calibrate the HART protocol intelligent differential pressure transmitter. Next, let me explain the steps for you. Measurement range from 0 to 6000 Pa. Transmitter output current is 420 mA. First, let's operate the differential pressure transmitter, differential pressure gauge, and HART hand. How are the manipulators connected? Prepare HART handheld controllers, differential pressure gauges, differential pressure transmitters, and more. Test pin, communication cable, 250 ohm resistor. First, connect the red test pin to the 24V output port of the differential pressure gauge. The black test pin is connected to the current interface. Then use a tool to connect the resistor to the transmitter's power negative terminal. Then attach the red crocodile clip to the positive terminal of the transmitter power supply. The black alligator clip is clipped onto the resistor. Next, connect the communication cable connector to the controller's communication interface. Finally, clamp the other end of the communication cable with a crocodile clip on both sides of the resistor. All devices have successfully connected. You can see that under the current atmospheric pressure, the transmitter pressure display is not zero. At the same time, the differential pressure gauge measured the transmitter's current reading, which deviated from 4 mA. Next, take out the HART manual controller to calibrate the transmitter's 0 point and current value. First is the zero calibration process. First, turn on the controller power. You can see that the manual controller and pressure transmitter have communicated successfully. Next, select the pressure transmitter, then right-click to enter the pressure transmitter interface. Then press the key to select calibration, and right-click to enter the calibration interface. Next, select sensor fine-tuning, then right-click to enter sensor fine-tuning interface. Then select zero fine-tuning. Finally, right-click to confirm. You can see that the zero calibration of the differential pressure transmitter is successful. Next is the calibration of the current. Press the back button first to return to the previous menu. Then press the key to select output fine-tuning. Then press the confirm button twice to enter the output fine-tuning interface. Next, select forma for fine-tuning, then right-click to enter. Injecting deviated current for 7 mA. Then press the right button again, and the controller will show whether the current equals 4 mA. Finally, right-click to select the right-click. Transmitter 4 mA current. Once calibration is successful, immediately use the pressure regulator handle. Slowly increase pressure clockwise until it reaches the calibration pressure value. Stop using the fine-tuning valve again. Set the calibration pressure to 3000 Pa. You can see that the pressure measured by the transmitter deviates from 3000 Pa. Continue calibrating the pressure value with the hand controller. When calibrating pressure values, select low-end fine-tuning or high-end fine-tuning. When the transmitter measurement pressure is below 3000 Pa, select the low end for fine adjustment. When the pressure value exceeds 3000 Pa, select high-end fine-tuning. The transmitter measured pressure below 3000 Pa, so low-end fine-tuning is chosen. Then right-click to enter the pressure value of 3000 Pa. Finally, right-click to confirm that the transmitter pressure value is 3000 Pa. Calibration successful. Continue using the pressure regulator handle to increase pressure until it reaches around the calibration pressure. Stop. Then use the fine-tuning valve to adjust the pressure to 6000 Pa. The same transmitter measured pressure below 6000 Pa. The differential pressure gauge also shows a deviation between the transmitter's current and 20 mA. Continue calibrating the pressure and current levels with the hand controller. Select low-end fine-tuning, then right-click to enter the pressure value of 6000 Pa. Finally, right-click to confirm. Transmitter pressure value 6000 Pa calibrated successfully. Next, the differential pressure gauge reads. The transmitter's current value deviates from 20 mA. Press the back button first to return to the previous menu. Then press the key to select output fine-tuning. Then right-click twice to enter the output fine-tuning interface. Then select 20 mA fine-tuning. Then right-click to enter. Input a deviated current value of 29 mA. Continue pressing the right button. The controller will display whether the current equals 20 mA. Finally, right-click the selection. You can see the transmitter current is 20 mA, and calibration is successful. Finally, open the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief reaches zero, and the measurement is complete.